Dun, 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 dun.
What's up, guys? Today I'm here with two very important Goliaths. I'm here with Germany and Mexico, and there's a very important game going on today. They're gonna play a full power game of skate, and I'm gonna flip a coin, and they're gonna choose heads or tails. What would you like to go for?
Actually, he's gonna choose.
He's gonna choose. Nigel's gonna choose.
This
What do
is
you want to
the Braille
choose?
World Cup, Mario.
This is the Braille World Cup. Are you guys ready? I am ready.
All right, heads.
Carlos, who do you have for the World Cup? Who do you think is going to take it all?
I want to say Mexico. I'm gonna say on that time.
I want to say Argentina, my boy Messi. Oh, I
yeah,
hope they win.
You see him mess up that penalty earlier?
Oh, yep.
Nice.
I didn't see it, but I saw all the tweets about it, so
Who do you have winning?
I don't watch soccer, but I'm going to go with Argentina because I already know they're savage. Yeah.
Well, you know, I have a feeling that Germany might take it again. They were freaking savage last World Cup. Let's go, guys. All right.
Wait, did you call it?
Yeah.
His heads and his
Oh
tails.
my god, the suspense is killing me. Oh! In the hole! Oh, you made it in the hole.
You go first,
right.
Nigel. How are you feeling right now?
Nervous because I'm playing Carlos.
And you're slightly, just sort of representing the entire country of Mexico.
I'm going to start it off with the normals, you know, pop shove it.
Hey,
Despacito.
hey, you're from Germany. You're not supposed to be singing Despacito right
Singing
now.
Michael Jackson, okay?
I don't know who's gonna take this, but I have a feeling that, you know, just like Germany won last time, Germany might have a chance this time. Who do you guys have in mind? I don't know.
Leave a comment below.
That was a very beautiful pop shove it. I wish I could pop shove it like that. Get that, Gabe. Carlos strikes back. Every time somebody gets a trick, I'm gonna say, "Goal!" Please, guys, don't be annoyed. If you're annoyed by me, let me know, please, and I'll stop. I love you.
No
guys.
one will ever
I
be
love you
annoyed by
guys.
you,
I
Mario.
love you guys.
I got to win this for Mexico. Let me try 5-0.
You have a.
Oh, Mexico!
Oh, well.
That is the equivalent of missing a penalty right there.
Yeah.
Gabe, you just stole the words right out of my mouth. That's exactly what I was gonna say.
Free kick Germany. What's your trick?
My trick?
Yeah.
That's a genuine smile right there.
Beautiful, beautiful. Very, very nice.
Troy, who do you got winning the World Cup?
Mario all the way. This guy.
El Salvador is
nothing's
gonna come on
stop
top,
him.
even though they're
Right.
not even qualified. Man, the offensive and the defensive is on point for this guy. So good. That was really good. You know, I can't wait to scream goal on one of these guys, but nobody's missing anything. Nobody.
Look. Hey, who do you have winning the World Cup?
Let's say Argentina.
Why is everyone saying Argentina?
They're so good.
Yeah.
I messed up my ankle on that last one, I hope you know, so give me a second.
We have an injury to the country of Mexico.
Not good at all. Like, it's bad.
Nigel?
I'm going to push on, but I got
Nigel,
to give it a
I
second.
believe in you as a country, and not just as a country, but as a human being.
Yeah.
Who is
I know.
Nigel? I thought we're talking about
He's just-
Mexico.
He's Nigel from Mexico, and I believe.
God, that hurts so bad.
The first letter.
Did you just go Ultra Instinct?
I just almost went ultra instinct on accident, man. Very nice. Very nice. I wish I could have that trick first try, but it's my worst enemy.
You have that trick.
It's my
Stop.
worst enemy, Gabe. Goal! I don't have that much energy on this one.
Come on.
Next one. I got you guys. Wow. Sometimes I wonder how can people even sit on a 50-50 on a rail, on a round rail. Do you understand that trick, Gabe? I don't. guys are too good. They're too good. Goal! Very good, guys. Showing a great display of skill.
Oh, it's bad.
Wow. Who do you guys think is gonna win the World Cup, guys, in general? Not just Germany or Mexico. Leave it in the comments down below. I think that's perfect. That's defense. That was great, Nigel.
How did you hold
How
on
did
to
he
that?
hold that for that long? The whole box. How?
Oh!
Nigel might be hurt. He's not taking any prisoners tonight. Wow.
The manager of Brazil said that Neymar is not 100%. He's playing tomorrow.
Exactly.
He's like Nigel.
MVP right now. MVP.
Mario, who's your favorite player?
My favorite player
Yeah.
in the world?
Yeah.
Currently or in general?
Currently.
Currently, Messi.
In general.
In general, that's a tough question, but I would have to go with Ronaldinho. He was just so magic. He was a magician with the ball, freestyle
the way
and
you
everything.
said his name
Ronaldinho.
made my knees wobbly.
That's too much information, Gabe. That's too much information.
Jeez.
I love that trick too. I wish I didn't hot pocket my ankle in the beginning.
A grind of the nose variety. Very nice.
He's good at nose grinds.
He is very good at nose grinds. And that's gonna be a free kick for Mexico.
I'm probably gonna fail it, but who cares?
The ref trying to get in the way.
I didn't know he was going for a tray flip over the hip.
You were the worst kind of ref.
Hey, nobody has paid me any money. Wait, hide that. If I had an injured ankle, I would probably not even try that trick. But he went for it. That shows a very good amount of sportsmanship on Mexico, aka Nigel. God, he just did it. He went for it. He wasn't scared, and he got empanadas. All of these guys are on point tonight. Ron Smith, first try. Who's this guy? And Germany strikes back.
My front foot was in the completely wrong area. And as soon as I popped, I was like, ah, yep, well, not gonna do it.
I thought I was gonna die. I just saw the board coming towards me, and somehow it just dissipated. That's a goal! A goal for Mexico on 4-1. Not only was that a great 5-0, but he just sat on that thing the whole time.
That was huge.
He popped this high. Goal!
Yeah.
So now it's 2-4, guys. 4-2. Germany 4, Mexico 2. Anything can happen. I don't even know what's going on anymore. Anything can happen. What's going on?
3-4.
That's 3-4. Biggest comeback ever.
Dang it. I got on it all wrong.
That's scary.
That's scary. That's really scary. I can't even. I can't even. That's for last letter, so he gets one more try, guys. One more try. Let's give it all up for Mexico.
Goal!
That was weak.
I gotta rest up.
Oh my god.
I just want to say, let's give it up to these guys. They showed a great amount of sportsmanship. They both landed some great things. I think they're both winners in my eyes, but the winner of this matchup is Germany. I think that was great. Thank you so much for playing that amazing game. I was astonished this whole time, guys. I was like, damn, I wish I could do half of those tricks, but that was amazing. Let's give it up to these guys. Make sure to follow these guys on Instagram. The links will be in the descriptions down below. To Germany and Mexico, we hope they win. I'm out of words. That's all I gotta say for today, and I'm very, very pleased with this game. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.
And good luck to both teams in the World Cup final, right? Yeah.
I'm gonna win the World Cup, so I mean,
El Salvador,
good luck to you guys, but I'm winning.
El Salvador is gonna win, even though they didn't qualify. And stop zooming in, please.
Stop zooming in.